going to be showing you how to do a treble crochet stitch. Alright, firstly what we're going to do is at the beginning of any round, if you're going to start at the bottom, you're going to basically do this exact same thing, except you're going to just skip 3 stitches. Let me just kind of give you the gist of how this kind of works. So if you're starting on a new round, what you're going to do is you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, because it is going to be 3 stitches tall. This is going to be a very tall stitch, as you can see down here. It's tall, and like your fingers can stick through it. It's kind of a special one. You're going to flip over the piece of work, or wherever you're going to start working it in. You're going to wrap it around once, wrap it around again. So you have 3 of these loops here. You're going to insert this into this stitch right here. Pull it through that loop. You're going to pull it through these 2 loops. Pull it through these 2 loops. And pull it through these 2 loops. Okay? Let me show you that again. Wrap it around again. Insert it in the hole. Pull it through. Wrap it around. Pull it through 1. Pull it through 2. Wrap it around. Pull it through 1. Pull it through 2. Wrap it around. Pull it through 1. Pull it through 2. Okay? That's kind of how it's going to be. One more time. Wrap around. Insert into the stitch. Pull all the way through. Pull all the way through these 2. Wrap around. Pull all the way through these 2. Wrap it around. Pull all the way through these 2. Alright, and so it's going to look long and pillory. After a little while, you kind of get good at going through it over and over. It becomes a bit of a rhythm. And you always have to chain 3 at the end of your round to make sure that you didn't have enough of that height to be able to pull off another round. Okay? And that is the treble stitch.